It's Thursday, April 29th, 2021. Ben Johnson Day. It feels like Ben Johnson year to me, but nevertheless, we have an update or two from cruise news. And as I keep saying, so much is going on in the world of cruising, and we're excited to carry the updates to you. Now, of course, last evening we had a wonderful presentation from Norwegian Cruise Lines. And albeit with technical glitches and internet failures, we persevered and we were able to come to a successful end to that presentation where our business development manager walked us through a beautiful array of public spaces, water parks, activities, cabins, and pricing with awesome perks and plans for the Norwegian Joys sailing out of Montego Bay beginning August 7th, 2021. But of course, while that was going on, we had a side glance at the news that came out of cruise industry news yesterday as well, because that also continued on the activities that Norwegian Cruise Line is currently engaged in. Now, for those of you who are unaware, Norwegian is the third largest of the mass market cruise lines with 17 ships, and the newest class of ships are the Breakaway Plus ships, of which the Bliss and the Joy, along with the Encore, fall into this class. Cruise Industry News has detailed the announcement that has been made by Norwegian, focusing on the further restart of operations. And of course, this is in Europe and home porting opportunities in Barcelona and Rome. The Norwegian Epic will be home porting in Barcelona. And for those of you who have booked sailings with Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we have been selling for quite a while the Norwegian Epic out of Barcelona. So this is not new. Now, this is a breakaway class ship. And within this class, you will also find the Norwegian Breakaway. So the Epic is a lovely ship. She's been around since 2011, if my memory serves me well. And she had the distinction of introducing the studio cabins, the solo cabins, to the fleet. Now, the Epic will be sailing from Barcelona, and she will be doing a 7-night Western Mediterranean itinerary, and that's from September through to October, specifically September 5 through to October 24th of 2021. The Norwegian Getaway, and this ship pretty much had its inaugural sometime in 2015. I remember sailing from Manhattan on the Getaway for one of her inaugural sailings on a very, very chilly winter morning. Wonderful memories, particularly because it was within the Super Bowl period, and upon disembarking that vessel right after our inaugural, it was converted into the Super Bowl Hotel. It was a marvelous sight. Here I go reminiscing again. So we will now see the Norwegian Getaway sailing a mix of 10 to 11-day Greek Isle voyages from Rome, and this will be from September 13th, 2021 through to October 25th of 2021. These are the departure timelines, startup and finals. Now, the article goes on to say that this follows the company's previously announced restart from Jamaica, the Dominican Republic, and Greece. And of course, you know, Jamaica will have Norwegian Joy, The Gem will be sailing from Punta Cana La Romana in Dominicana, La República Dominicana. I'm switching languages. My brain is going through confusion. And of course, the Jade will take on the Greek Isles. Harry Sommer, President and Chief Executive Officer of Norwegian Cruise Line, said in effect, Europe is a top travel destination, so we're very much looking forward to returning to some of our most beloved home ports, resuming those itineraries and welcoming our guests to experience a vacation of a lifetime in the safest possible manner. Summers went on to say, we are actively working with our local partners and government officials as we plan for resumption of voyage in the region, with Norwegian Epic and Getaway joining Norwegian Jade this summer. Relaunching the Epic and the Getaway will allow us to provide a greater variety of highly sought-after itineraries for those travelers preparing to take their first cruise vacation in over a year. While cruising has not yet restarted from Spanish ports, the Port of Barcelona has been closely working and cooperating with the Spanish Ministry of Health and with the Health Department of the local government of Catalonia towards the same objective, the resumption of cruise traffic following the safe test protocols for guests, crew, and the inhabitants of Barcelona, said Mercè Conesa, president of the Port of Barcelona. We're hopeful that we will soon welcome Norwegian Cruise Line and its guests to Barcelona. And y'all know that when a report comes forward that I'm reading and we start talking about Barcelona, Catalonia, I just go into my element. Hands down, doesn't feel like 30 years since I lived there. It is still fresh in my heart, and if anyone has any reason, any excuse, even a slither of a decision to have me join them in Barcelona for whatever reason, y'all just need to say it. I'm there. The article goes on to speak of other cancelled voyages, such as those of the Blaze Pride of America, and of course the Spirit, the Dawn, and the Star. But that bit of information would have been out there previously, and we're still hoping that as Norwegian continues to craft new itineraries, new destinations, that we will see these beloved vessels coming back into circulation as well. So that's where we're gonna dock this video. That's how we see it today on the Daily News.
Contigo